We have made very good progress, I must say. The last couple of months, since about September, we have got about 36,000 units that are under construction as we speak. And those ones are ones that we have started. We had another 9,000 that were projects that we carried over from the Jubilee government into this government, and of course we didn't stop them, and they are under construction. Some of them are getting completed. And then this week we have about 29 projects that we are awarding. First 29 projects which are what we are calling constituency-based housing. So these are about 200 units per constituency. So that group that is sitting in there, they're not just talking abstract issues. We are looking at, there is a site at Karachuonyo, okay? This site is going to need so many masons, is going to need so many plumbers, is going to need so many people. That is what is going out there.
In terms of the technical and vocational training institutions, yes, they are giving us graduates who have done diplomas and artisanal courses, even from NITA. But when you look at them on the ground, when they are working on the ground, you find that there is a lot of skill gaps in terms of practical experience. And so we are working closely with the NCA and National Industrial Training Authority, so that as the Principal Secretary said, we are going to have the construction sites as being a place where they can do the dual practical training.